This is the story of a man who built a nation out of sand, belief and purpose. Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan was born in 1918 in a desert with no roads, no schools and very little opportunity. Yet from a young age he believed one thing: leadership means service and the future can always be better than the past. As a young leader in Al Ain, he walked among his people, listened to their struggles, restored water channels, settled disputes and planted the first seeds of progress. They called him Zayed the Good because he showed up for everyone. In 1966, he became ruler of Abu Dhabi, and instead of keeping the new oil wealth for himself, he invested it into his people, roads, hospitals, homes, schools, water and electricity, the foundations of a nation. When the British left the region, Sheikh Zayed chose unity over division. He brought the rulers together, built trust, and in 1971, the United Arab Emirates was born. He taught that real wealth isn't oil, it's people. That leadership is service, that even a desert can bloom when hope takes root. Today, as this young nation shines on the world stage, its success, stability and ambition trace back to one man, a leader who believed in possibility, a father who believed in his people, and a legacy that still inspires millions to this day. This is Sheikh Zayed, the man who turned the desert into a dream. And for National Day 2025 here in Abu Dhabi, that dream is alive. Flags wave, fireworks fill the sky, and you can feel the pride Sheikh Zayed inspired in every heart around him. So we're just leaving Leaf Tower, heading out for our first ever celebration for UAE National Day. Come with us and journey along as we see loads of stuff. So we just rocked up to the Corniche. As you can see, loads of people out, just barbecues galore, families galore. Everyone's smiling, having a good time, spraying silly string on cars, which is forbidden, by the way. Literally, look at all that. Everyone is just transfixed. What do you think, guys? Crazy. I'm literally getting goosebumps. Crazy. We're literally just getting started and we've got so much more to see and do. This place is getting very busy very quickly, getting very lively, and no doubt a lot of silly string, a lot of fun. So stay tuned. Yallah! Oh, wonderful. Quite chaotic, but very fun. And the great thing is, despite there being, I don't know, hundreds of thousands of people, there is absolutely zero sense of, I don't know, any kind of danger or sketchiness. It's just all organised and safe bedlam, which is amazing. It's lovely. Everyone's happy, having a good time, celebrating. It's how it should be. Hey! State of him. They're going to come chasing for you boys. Don't stand near me. I haven't got any silly string.
Covered. You can't see that.
Look at the state of him.
1 second, the whole group comes after me. I'm screaming, halas, halas. Whoa! Is it back?
Whoa.
Let me see.
Okay. So Harold was like, let's get silly string. Goes in there giving it the big one and he gets absolutely schooled by a bunch of kindergartners. This place is insane. There you go. I think the consensus is clear. Next year for UAE Day, we're going to get absolutely loaded up with silly string.
So we are going to go around spray. We've just bought 10 bottles.
We just got approached by 4 or 5 brothers and sisters, very entrepreneurial. They had some cans, they're cashing in on a prime market. Love it.
Oh my days.
Yep. That'll work. Well, might be an idea not to drive down the Corniche.
Oh, you look like a snowman. Dad?
Yeah, it'll rub off in a minute.
I got it all in my mouth, pal.
I need glasses now.
Give me that.
Hey!
So there's literally thousands and thousands of cars in huge amount of traffic. And some of these cars, or a lot of these cars they've had them graphicked up. They've literally had the date, the emblems of the UAE National Day spread all over their cars, like at great expense, I'm sure, but talk about patriotism, it's quite inspiring, really. Silly string,
Lots of it.
less lovely. I'm gonna get sprayed in a minute, I can sure that.
I think we're going to get sprayed.
Yeah, we probably will. that's the end of our first UAE National Day. I'm just going to run up to the guys. How was it, everyone?
Amazing.
Unbelievable. And it's now complete chaos. As far as the eye can see, traffic. We're going to walk about maybe 1 or 2 miles and find our way home, or just get some scooters maybe, I don't know. Absolutely unbelievable. The pride in a nation, and they've got a lot to teach us, and we've got a lot to learn. So anyway, peace out. Bye from everyone. Albert.
Bye. Bye.
Howard.
Bye.